Hello, my name is Lê Hoàng Phúc. My student ID is 23110055. Today, I'm going to present about my research. The topic is the right reflex disease detection using multi-level color image thresholding. And thank for the support and the advice from the Associate Professor Dr. Ayman. I have I have written an abstract for my present research, but I don't have enough time to read it, so you can pause the video to read it in details. To let you understand more about my presentation, I have divided into the six parts. The first is the introduction. The second is research review. The third is the methodologies. The fourth is the discussion. And, and next is the conclusion and recommendation. The last one is reference. Uh, Go into the first part, introduction. The right leaf flash is serious fungal disease in rice causing significant crop loss worldwide. Traditional detection methods are manual time consuming and prone to human error. With advancement in technology, image processing has emerged as a promising solution offering faster and more accurate detection. Uh, to a research problem. Despite the availability of various tools for disease detection, they often struggle under real-world conditions such as uncontrolled lighting and complex background. Additionally, these tools often lack the capabilities to classify the severity and of the disease, limiting their effectiveness in disease management. And the objects of our research is to develop a system capable of capturing and processing images of the right leaves, detecting and classifying the severity of bright leaf plus using HSV color space and thresholding techniques and evaluating the system performance under real-world conditions. This research is to answer this research aims to answer the following question: the rise reflex be detected using multi-level thresholding? Is the system reliable in the natural testing? And can severity levels be accurate classifying? And the scope and limitation. This study focused solely on the utilizing status image capture and smartphone camera. The system is now designed for other disease and or real-time detection application. Uh, to the literature review, the first I want to identify research gap. Uncontrolled environment. Most research were done in the ideal lab setting, which don't reflect in real life field condition. Uh, Severity classification. Many systems only detect whether disease is without the classifying how serious is it. And the high-end equipment, pure work often relies on expensive DSLR or the lab cameras, limiting accessibility. And the last one is the robustness. Assessing systems struggle under different lighting or background conditions. This gap motivates us to design a more practical, plans flexible solution. to the theoretical framework. As our method is built several key image processing techniques. H- HSV color space conversion is the separate color from the planets, making it easy to detect disease areas. Multi-level thresholding, instead of the binary classification, we segment the image into the three level, early, spreading, and severe. Uh, Morphological filter have refined the inflex region by removing noise and connecting fragment back. Green's theorem, the mathematical approach used to calculate inflex area in the pixel. And the last part in the methodology, we can see the flowchart here. Here we can see we start in the we start with the image of the right plant. Color is made of the rice we capture using a smartphone camera. Its made were taken directly from a field under the natural lighting, the various leaf orientation, and the background condition. The next a the process pre-processing step. Image resize with the standards to this value pixel to reduce the computational cost. Noise restoration used the Gaussian filtering to remove unwanted disturbance like motion blur or lighting noise. And the enhancement has include histogram equalization and color space conversion. To the next, the segmentation and the filtering extraction. Image use the multi-level thresholding was applied to the channel to isolate disease region. And the next, when we have the experimental results, we have classification severity stat one is the early infection. Stage 2 is the spreading phase, and the stage 3 is the severe state. Here we go to the results. Uh, you can see the picture. You can see the picture we put here. In the row 1, you can see the picture is original input pin image to the row 3 and row 2, row 2 and row 3 is the reprocessing results. We use resizing and enhancement to the row 4 and row 5. We use segmentation results show in threshold less than area. To row 6, we can see the extracted boundaries and of degrees region, and the row 7 is the final state classification. Uh, Go to the performance overview. The success rates, the system successfully detected rice reflex region in over 19% of the test case. The robustness performance remained consistent across different image conditions, and the limitation is the detection accuracy may reduce in case with extreme shadow or overlapping leaf. Goes to the discussion part. We have great table to compare the previous study and this study. Earlier study mostly rely on the single thresholding or manual inspection, which can be quite limited and inconsistent. In contrast, our study applied the multi-level thresholding, which allows for a more detailed and flexible analysis of the disease reason. The second, the environment used in those previous methods we usually control like in a lab setting with proper lighting and background. However, we test our system under the uncontrolled real field condition, which make the research more applicable and practical for the real farming situation. Thus, in the term of the output, early approach provide only binary results, but our system go further by offering three-tier severity classification, which help farmer understand how serious the infection and take appropriate action. Finally, the device used in previous research were typical expensive equipment like the DSLR or the lab-grade camera. In our study, we just use a regular smartphone camera, which proved that the system can be easily adapted without the high cost. Here's the implication and the fight of fighting for agriculture. The system provides low cost and accessible tools for disease detection. For research is open door to lightweight AI-based model trained on segments image. For farmer, early severity detection can reduce overall of pesticide and minimize the crops growth. To conclusion, first, our study successfully built a rice leaf detection system used multi-level color thresholding. We use RGB image capture in the real field condition and process them using HSP conversion and the segmentation techniques. The system could classify the severity of the disease into three levels. Two recommendation for practical use. We recommend integrating this system into the mobile app that farmer can and agriculture officials can use directly in the field. The tool can act as the custom support system, help reduce the overrush of pesticide and improve how farmer protects their crops. And here's there are some reference I used in my research. I have so it's into the APA style that you can see here. Here's the author, the year, and the name of the study. Final test was checked by using Trinity, a widely used progesterone detection tool. The similar index were below the 15 percentage, is about 14, indicating that the work is origin and properly referenced on citation and reference were formats according to academic standard that ensure the academic integrity and authenticity of the research. That is on my presentation about my research and thanks for watching.